खाजगी आणि सरकारी टँकरांतल्यान करतात ती उदका पुरवण सुरक्षीत काय ना असो मुद्दो वास्कोच्या लोकांनी काढला। वास्कोकारांचे कागाळी वेल्यान उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान निकतीच खासा बसका घेतली। टँकरवाले कायदो पाळून उदकाची पुरवण करता काय ना हो विशय हे बसकेक आयलो। उदका पुरवण करपी टँकराची टाकी भितरल्यान स्टेनलेस स्टीलाची आसा काय ना ते टँकरवाल्यान टँकराचेर लावचे म्हूण लोक मागतात। वास्कोतल्या लोकांनी केल्ले कागाळी वेल्यान उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्यान ही बसका घेतली। ग्राउंड वॉटर सेल समिती हे बसकेक आशिल्ली।
Tankers being made of stainless steel. Now, if the act is looked very closely, it said that it's lining of stainless steel. The second point is that Honorable Chief Minister had given assurance in the House that all the tankers will, when registered, will display their registration details on the tanker for the public to note. As the executive engineer stated that there will be a sticker which will be put. We are happy that this is a step forward. Our concern is about responsibility given to the health department to check the water in every trip that is being undertaken by the tanker.
In the act it is mentioned what the tanker should have lining. Now on that particular aspect I will make it very clear now what that lining stands for, right? So now some of the complaints were there that it should have a internal lining. Now internal lining in what sense it is? Because now normally some complaints were there that internal lining is not possible, right? On that I will make the thing clear so that before the next meeting I will be very clear with the subject.
दिशान परब प्रुडंटा खातीर। साखळेचो नवो उपनगराध्यक्ष दामोदर घाडीन भाजपाचो राजीनामो दिला। आमदार प्रमोद सावंतानूच आपणाक उपनगराध्यक्ष पदा खातीर अर्ज भरपाक सांगिल्लो असो दावोय घाडीन केला। सांखळे पालिकेंतल्या भाजपा विरोधी पंगडाचो तेंको घेवन उपनगराध्यक्ष जाल्ल्यान आमदार सावंतान दामूक गद्दार म्हणिल्लो। सांखळे पालिका खंयच्याच राजकीय पक्षाची न्ही अशें स्पश्टीकरण नगराध्यक्ष धर्मेश सागलानीन केला।
सांखळेचो आमदार दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान गद्दार म्हणिल्ल्यान चाळवल्ल्या दामू घाडीन आमदार सावंताचेर खर टिका केल्या। आदलो नगराध्यक्ष नारायण रेळेकाराकडच्यान तांणी फुडली तारीख घालून आदींच राजीनामो घेतिल्लो असो दावोय दामून केला।
म्हाका कित्याक सांगपाक म्हाका ताणें काल गद्दार म्हटलो। हांव गद्दार न्हू, हांव भारतीय जनता पार्टी बरोबरच आशिल्लो। मिलिंद रेलेकाराकूय ताणें सांगलें की मिलिंद रेलेकाराक 2 म्हयने आनीक वाडोवन दिता पूण तूंय बर म्हणून। मिलिंद रेलेकाराक इन एडवान्स ताणें रेजिग्नेशन घेतलें। आता तूं गद्दार म्हणटा जाल्यार तूं डबल टिबल गेम म्हाजे कडेन कित्याक खेळ्ळी तुमी? म्हाका 10 मिनटां आपल्या आमदारान फोन करून जाल्यार तूं विड्रॉ कर म्हणून दुसरे कडेन। म्हणून हांवें मागीर धर्मेशाक बिनशर्त पाठिंबो दिलो।
सांखळी विकास मंच सांखळे पालिका चलयतली। ह्या संघटनेचो खंयच्याच राजकीय पक्षा लागीं संबंध ना अशें नवो नगराध्यक्ष धर्मेश सगलानीन स्पश्ट केलें।
सांखळी विकास मंचाक खंयच्याच पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो सपोर्ट ना। आमी हो डेव्हलपमेंट फ्रंट फॉर्म केला फक्त सांखळेच्या विकासा खातीर।
प्रुडंटा खातीर सांखळेच्यान उदय परब।
नोव्हेंबरांत जावपा आशिल्ले लुसोफोनिया गेम्सा खातीर साधन सुविधा उबारपाचें काम नेटान चल्लां। काम नेटान चल्लां म्हूण ताचो दर्जो बरो आसचो ना अशें कोणेंच समजुचें न्ही अशें गेम्साचो CEO केशव चंद्रा म्हणटा। मुळावे सुविधाच्या वावरान कसलेच गुड्डलसाव ना अशेंय चंद्रा म्हणटा। शुक्रारा लुसोफोनिया गेम्साच्या आयोजन समितीन पत्रकार बसकेन कामाचो नियाळ दिलो।
The activities which could have been done in 1 month is actually compressed by deploying more manforce and resourcing more material, and it is done in every week. So every week if you go at the venue, you will see sizable change happening.
Can you assure the quality of construction?
Well, I'll give it to, but before they take it up, I'll just tell you that in the whole process, only thing we are not compromising in the quality.
All joints, whatever been done thus has been bought by special agents from Bombay, which is not available in Goa, and electrically is tested. All tests.
We are also using special type of rods for welding. It is not like ordinary rod. The cost of this rod is at least 3 times more than the ordinary rod.
गेम्सा खातीर गोंयच्या टीमीन गोंया भायले खेळगडे आसतले तशेंच हे टीमीक इंडिया टीम म्हूण खेळटले अशें गोंय ऑलिंपिक संघटनेचे महासचिव गुरुदत्त भक्तान सांगलें।
The team is representing India because it is a tricolor that is flying at the venues, and the tricolor will go up if we win medals.
But all the sports whichever are included in this, all their parent associations, are they in agreement with GOA?
No, we are connected to Indian Olympic Association. In the first edition, it was the accreditation done by the Indian Olympic Association for Macau. In the second edition, IOA gave us the privilege to the Goa Olympic Association and we sent a team representing India. Currently also, it is the same status. The team is representing India.
So why did it lead to Goa Judo Association building a team and then players?
No, that is a separate issue.
What led to that fiasco?
No, that's a separate issue because the Indian players are going to be there in the team. Some of the locals felt that it should all be a totally Goan team, irrespective of the caliber or capability of the players. That is why it has gone to the court. No other issue.
खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस प्रुडंटा खातीर. इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.